The Messy Alphabet Book. You know, it seems like every alphabet book I read is full of nice, clean things, like cute kittens, cuddly puppies, and shiny new toys. I think it's time for a new alphabet book, a messy alphabet book. Turn the page if you agree. Miggity, we want to make a big mess. Be my guest. A is for applesauce dripped down the wall. B is for birthday cake wrapped by a ball. C is for cookies all covered in glue. D is for doughnuts all frosted with glue. E is for eggs uncracked in some hole. F is for flour puffing out of the bowl. G is for gooey mud baked in a pie. And G is for hamburger all covered in flies. What a terrible mess, Cookie Monster. Thank you. Now me go find some cookies to crumble. What is crumble? Break them into pieces. Hello, Oscar. Elmo would like to try. Okay, but you have to make it messy. Elmo promised that it will be good and messy. I is for indigo paint on your door. J is for juice all over the floor. K is for knitting yarn completely uncoiled. L is for leaves trampled on soil. M is for mud-coated mittens and coats. N is for never been bathed barnyard goats. O is for Oscar, the messiest Grouch. P is for pencils spread out on a couch. That's not bad, Elmo. Elmo learned everything. Elmo knows about being messy from Oscar naturally. It looks like you're having fun. Can I make a mess too? Sure, as long as it's very messy. Q is for quills, streaked with permanent ink. R is for rings around really washings. S is for slimiest striped little friend. T is for cheetah with marshmallow plant. Delicious. I would like to have a turn, please, Oscar. Okay, everyone gets a turn. U is for unicorn, sparkling and white. V is for vibrant stars, twinkling at night. Hey, stop right there! Those ones are nice. We need a mess. W is for wet, smelly dogs in the rain. X is for xylophone, splattered and stained. Y is for yogurt, dipped down with funky old grapes. Being this messy is making Elmo sleepy. Me sleepy too. We haven't done a Z yet. Our dears. And C makes the sound that my napping friend makes. Hey, wait a minute. You don't think I'm going to clean this up by myself, do you? Grouches don't clean. The end. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.